Good afternoon. This is the question number 5 in our series. We are solving the 25 hardest questions for the GMAT. So now we will see this question. This question is about, let us check. In a village of 100 households, 75 have at least one DVD player, 80 have at least cell phone, 55 MP3 player. If X and Y are the greatest and the lowest, what is the subtraction? Okay, so as you know, every question that involves Venn diagram, we need to solve as a Venn diagram. All right, we make our circles. We use we name every other part. We call the center M. And as you see, A, B, C are the uniques, so belong to only one. X, Y, and C belongs to doubles, so it will be the double, and M belongs to the three of them, and all of them will be 100. In addition to this, if you have, because you have the value of every set, this is 75 and this is 55. Well, if you have this, will you realize if you add the DVD players, the MP3 players, and the cell phones, will you realize that when you have U plus twice the double plus 3 times the triple, 210. Well, now I will make my replacement, and my replacement, and we have D plus twice the triple is 110. I can do it another replacement here, probably that with that, and then I will see something like this is D equal to 10 plus U. Is that okay? If you don't get it, will you realize that D plus T is 100 minus U? You add here, you replace here, and you have D plus T, which is 100, minus U, plus T equal to 110. Then isolate T, T is 110 minus 10 plus U. That's it. So now the question says, what is the greatest and the lowest? What is this and what is this? Okay, the greatest, the lowest. What do you mean that? Possible greatest, the possible lowest. So there is a range of values for T. I need the greatest possible and I need the lowest possible. Let us check. What about if I get the lowest possible value for T? If I try to get the lowest possible value for T, I will try to use the lowest possible for U too. Why? Because if I use another value or greater value for U, the value for T will be increased, and I don't want to increase. So the lowest possible value for U will be 0, T is 10. That's the lowest possible value for T. That's right. Then I repeat the same. If I want the greatest value for T, of course I will use the greatest value for U. But in that case, I could use multiple values, infinite. So that's not possible. Get the possible greatest value for T. Well, I will try another way. Maybe I can use my other equation. What is the other equation? I think the shorter, not the larger, the shorter other equation is this. Is D plus 2T equal to 110. Well, in that case, I will see, okay, I want the lowest T. If I get the lowest T, I will grade it, or the greatest T, sorry, the greatest T, I will want it the lowest T. In that case, the lowest T. So if I want to the greatest, I want the lowest. And the lowest possible value for T in that case is 0, plus twice the T is 110, so T is 55. Wonderful. So the greatest value minus the lowest possible value, and the answer will be 45. That was another question solved by Kalvirs MBA Consulting. Thank you.